In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from WazirX to my bank account step by step in a simple and easy way that anyone can follow. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. If you have funds stuck in your WazirX account, or you want to move your money safely into your bank account, this method will help you do that without confusion. First, open the WazirX app on your phone and log into your account using your registered details. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to check where your funds are stored. On WazirX, your INR balance is kept separately from your cryptocurrency wallets. This means if your money is currently in any crypto, you must first convert it into INR before you can withdraw it to your bank. Now, tap on the cryptocurrency wallet where your funds are available. Select the option to sell or convert the crypto into INR. Enter the amount you want to convert, then confirm the sell order. After placing the order, WazirX will process it, and you'll receive a notification along with an email confirmation. Once the order is completed, the converted amount will appear in your INR wallet. Next, go back to the INR balance section and tap on the withdraw option. If this is your first time withdrawing, you'll need to link your bank account. Enter your bank account number, IFSC code, and other required details carefully, then save and verify the information. After your bank account is linked successfully, choose a withdrawal method. You'll usually see options like IMPs and NEFT. IMPs is faster and is recommended if you want the money quickly. Select the method, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and add a remark if required. Then tap on Withdraw to continue. You'll now receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. After this, you'll also receive a confirmation email from WazirX. Open that email and approve the withdrawal request to complete the verification. Once everything is confirmed, WazirX will process your withdrawal. Within a few minutes, the money will be credited to your bank account. You may notice a small processing fee, and the remaining amount will reflect in your bank balance. That's how you can easily transfer money from WazirX to your bank account, using your mobile phone in a safe and straightforward way. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out WalletX. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, WalletX will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing WalletX and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using WalletX.